In the shadowy world of ones and zeros, where the atom meets the genome, we stand on the edge of a new era, the age of AI. But with such power comes chilling uncertainty. Dare to journey with us as we step into the future, exploring the most terrifying AI possibilities that could reshape, redefine, or even threaten our very existence. Welcome to the frontier of tomorrow, where technology and terror intertwine. Number 1. Future predicting robots. Many AI advancements are innovative and extraordinary, but some are downright creepy. Nautilus is a supercomputer that uses news articles to forecast the future. It's a self-learning supercomputer fed data from millions of articles dating back to the 1940s. It was able to pinpoint Osama bin Laden's location within 200 kilometers. Scientists are now testing it to see if it can predict actual future events rather than past ones. Number 2. Robot soldiers. One of the most terrifying potential applications of AI and robotics is the creation of a robot soldier. Although many have advocated for a ban on the use of the so-called killer robots, the fact that the technology could potentially power such robots in the near future is disturbing to say the least. Number 3. Schizophrenic robot. Researchers from the University of Austin, Texas, and the Yale University used Discern, a neural network, to teach the system specific stories. They told the system not to forget as many details in order to simulate an excess of dopamine and a process known as hyperlearning. As a result, the system began to exhibit schizophrenic-like symptoms. And began inserting itself into the stories. In one of the stories, it even claimed responsibility for a terrorist bombing. Number 4. Economic meltdown. It is no secret that robots and algorithms control many of the world's major financial and governmental systems, including Wall Street trading. However, flaws in those systems, according to Roman Yampolsky, director of the University of Louisville Cybersecurity Lab, could have disastrous consequences. Number 5. Robots that deceive. In many cases, robots and AI systems appear to be inherently trustworthy. Why should they have any reason to deceive or lie to others? What if they were taught to do just that? Georgia Tech researchers use squirrel and bird behavior to teach robots how to hide and deceive one another. According to reports, the military is interested in the technology. Number 6. Robot lovers. The idea that humans could love or at least copulate with a robot companion is one of the many ethical concerns raised by robots and the AI systems that power them. Companies are already working to make sex robots a reality, and opponents are fighting back hard. Number 7. Survival robots. Robots were made to compete for a food source in a single area in an experiment conducted by intelligent systems scientists in Switzerland. The robots could communicate by emitting light, and once they discovered the food source, they began turning off their lights or using them to steer competitors away from it. Number 8. Police using AI algorithms to predict crimes. Certain cities in the US are testing an AI algorithm that predicts which citizens are most likely to commit a crime in the future. In 2015, Hitachi announced a similar system. Maybe the film Minority Report wasn't so far off in its depiction of the future. Number 9. AI-based medical treatment. Healthcare is one of the most important industries that AI could potentially benefit from. AI is already being used in many fields of medicine, even assisting doctors in treatment decisions. But what if that AI system overlooks an important aspect of your medical history or makes the incorrect recommendation? Number 10. Autonomous drones and weapons. There has been much debate about the civilian use of drones, but even more so about the military use of drones. The frightening aspect is not that people are piloting these services, but that they can pilot themselves. The US Navy has even given ground transport vehicles the ability to autonomously identify a target prior to mission execution. Consider what would happen if a machine decided who is a friend and who is an enemy. Number 11. Imaginative supercomputer. Google tested a self-learning computer with a simulated neural network. The computer began looking at kitten pictures among the network's contents. It even created its own image of what a kitten should look like. This demonstrates how human-like AI can become. So what do you think? Share your thoughts below. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this one.